obviously people can look at the old Business in Mind stuff anytime. It's freely available. It's video based with a short resource kit that is really designed to be very simple, because again, a lot of the interventions and things that are out there are, you know, a 12-hour course or things like that. We wanted something that was like 1 hour with a little magazine style thing to read just about the issues. And we also got on our videos business people telling their stories rather than us kind of preaching what they should do, just to help with that initial awareness piece. But, you know, it's moved on since then, and I would recommend Ahead for Business. That is a program run by an organisation called Every Mind, and the federal government gave them some funding to broaden out the scope outside of New South Wales to national. So if you are a small business owner listening, go onto the Ahead for Business website, and there's some great stuff in their program across the board. And the other new initiative that I'd be really keen for people to know about is Beyond Blue has now got a small business new access program coming online, and that is kind of like a free EAP for 4 sessions for small business people or their staff. So have a look at Beyond Blue's new access. I think that will start up in June, and they will have business coaches who are trained in, you know, mental health support as well as business issues, which I think is really important. So it's not like calling Lifeline and having some counselling. It's in that business context of business coaching. And that's one of the things I found with my Business in Mind project, is that business people prefer the business as usual or the integrated into how my business can be successful more so than struggling with mental health. You know, I need, you know, an intervention around depression and anxiety. You know, there's still a bit of stigma around that. And yeah, I think if as much as you can integrate stuff around mental health into usual business practice, the more business people will use it and feel comfortable with it.